Hi, sir.
Fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Samuel Kamau from Kenya.
Okay. And this place, which?
We are in Narok
Narok.
County,
Okay, Narok County.
yes,
Okay.
which is about 150 kilometers from Nairobi center.
Okay. And what is this product? What you
The
install?
product we are using is called Jaldoot
Yeah.
from India. It's
Yeah.
a water conditioner.
Yeah. Why installing?
In Narok, we have problem with pH in our water.
Water also hard. Some
It's
use
hard
the
water,
use the borehole
high
water.
pH, and what we call maybe it's acidic also.
Okay.
Yeah, so
What types of problem you have? Some irrigation in soil will be hard and also crop will be burning.
yeah, the problem first of all when they are young, we have crop burning
Yeah.
and then stunted growth,
Okay.
and also
Drip system will be blocked.
drip, yes, and also drip blocks, and also some plants lacks most of the nutrients.
Okay. That's why you install the
This is why
product.
we have purchased the Jaldoot to assistance on those products.
Okay. Which country will we import?
This is from India.
This is from India.
Correct.
You import the product.
We imported direct, yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. How much acres here you
We
plant?
have 50 acres,
Okay.
yes.
And all are vegetables or
Vegetables and for fodder,
fruit?
yeah, food and fodder, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.